Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get your wage and income transcript online in IRS US. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can simply get your wage and income transcript online instantly through your IRS online account. So all you gotta do is simply log in into your IRS online, and once you log in into it, you need to simply create your account or simply get signed in into your account if you already have an account. So if you're a new user, you will need to register using your secure access identity verification with id.me. So once you've got the access to your account, all you gotta do is simply navigate to the tax record section. Once you're in the tax record section, get the transcript by clicking on the button or link. Now simply select the transcript type. You need to choose a reason for needing the transcript, example federal tax or something like this. You can leave the customer file number field blank unless a third party provided you with a specific number to use for matching. Now you can simply view it and download it. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.